Huh? Good girl! Good girl! Good girl!
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside, snow is falling and friends are calling you. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Just see those.
What is going on, guys? Ashley Glock here, back at it again with another banger. So it's Thanksgiving Day. Headed off to my mom's side of the family.
Come on, guys.
Here's Daisy. She's so crazy because she wants to come in outside because she wants to go in the car. There's Tobe. Everyone's packing up the car. And my cousins, Brayden, Keely, and my aunt are not going to be there because they're seeing their other side of the family. But my uncle will be there. My family, grandparents, and my aunt. So yeah, that's basically what's going on. Headed out, and Daisy's gonna be pretty crazy. So, and then after that, I think around like 5-ish, we're going to my dad's side of the family and gonna have a fun time there. So I'll probably see you guys when we get at my grandparents. Daisy, hi Daisy, what a good puppy. Are you in your pumpkin outfit? Oh, look at his smile.
This is crazy.
Daisy, where's your grandma and your grandpa? Oh,
Mom, look at her.
she knows. Where's
Mom.
Daisy? Where are you? Gotta ring the doorbell. Daisy, ring the doorbell. Who's here?
Probably just open, guys. Did you try?
Oh yeah, I should just open it. Nope.
Okay.
Yo!
The freaks are here.
Yo! Oh, good girl.
Actually, you gonna go by Toby?
Uncle Pat, look at her
You're
ears.
going by Toby and Grandpa.
1, 2, 3. Oh, it's on timer. Hold on, I'm
Are
gonna
you
take it off
kidding me
timer.
right now?
I gotta take it off timer.
Good boy, Hammer.
All right, there we go.
Well, I'll show you how to do it. Just hit the dive.
Oh,
It should be
Daisy.
the last scene. The last time I saw her.
You gonna watch that Madden show?
Oh, she's she's in the bushes.
Henry's the bad one.
Daisy. Oh, good girl. Here she is. Oh,
So, Pat, now you have our
good
attention.
girl. You love your
Why don't
turkey,
you start
huh?
with your vacation with Leslie? Like you left Saturday to Calico?
What are these lumps in here?
Body parts.
Is that potatoes or something?
I think so. No.
Where's the phone?
Actually, is there kiwi in here?
Is there
Jim,
what?
if that were you in that situation, you had a friend and their son, would you tell your friend?
Oh, you're talking to me?
No, I'm talking to you, Jim.
I was gonna say some shit, and Rick's other.
Happy birthday, dear Bean.
Beanie.
Happy birthday to you.
Take it. How old are you now?
The next time you see him in a burglary, call him McCarthy.
That's a good picture, Ash.
Well done. Mike Trevor.
What was that? Daisy.
She wants to play with Henry.
They were nose to nose.
No, barking.
Henry's being a good boy.
She's like, I just want to play with someone.
Henry wants to go nana.
He's tired as hell.
That dog never gets tired.
Daisy only gets tired when she's alone.
Even if she's in a sound sleep, if she hears something like that might be food, she's
Actually,
up in a
send the
flash.
snack to Killy.
Hear another dog. Who's that? So we are headed to my dad's side of the family now. Daisy's out. We're gonna gonna be going back to our house to drop Daisy off, pick some stuff up, and we're actually gonna be seeing all of them tomorrow as well because we are meeting them for pizza. So I'll probably see you guys when we get at my Gigi and Papa's house for another Thanksgiving.
Old 49er.
They're so immature. Like what grade? Like how old are you?
Your dirty AirPods. So dirty.
They're gone. Dude, why you? No. Oh.
Go first.
Jake, go first. We're seeing Coco. Jesus. Wait, hurry up. We gotta close the door. Coco! Coco! It's like a party up in here.
Coco.
Coco's gone?
No.
Coco? Coco? Hi, Coco! Hi!
It's so far back.
Hi, Coco! She actually kind of did look the same.
No, Coco.
She actually looks the same. Just a little.
Coco.
Whoa!
Hey, Coco. Is that?
She gets so low. She
The
gets so
zooming?
low.
Coco!
Oh my
Aw, it's like so cute. So cute. Yeah, it's like so dark back here.
Coco, come. Hey, Coco.
Wait, where was she?
Hey, my dad.
Holy shit.
She's so excited. She's
I know, it's kind of freaky.
it's like Jake. It's like a prison.
Freaky.
Hi, Coco. Hi. Whoa. Hi, girl. Hi, Coco. I missed you so much.
Leaving Rhino Park is so happy though.
Oh, it's so she could run so fast. You know the leaping is insane.
No, Leaving Rhino's rooms are gonna be way bigger.
Hi, go. Whoa.
Share a room. So they're gonna be so happy.
They're not sharing a room.
I know, they're gonna be so happy. I mean,
Where? Let me see. I want to see
it's
the room.
Olivia's.
Olivia's room. Ah! Coco's literally gonna knock it me over. I'm literally calling it. Okay.
Dude, that's a pretty big room for her. I mean, it's awesome.
Wait, do it again. I want to get a
Is Coco a
video.
good walk? Easy. I mean, Coco, sit, shake,
Oh! No, it's
shake,
paw.
paw.
Shit. Paw.
Coco, sit.
Paw.
Good girl. Good girl.
Hi.
Good girl.
Hey. Go, Ashley. Go. Go. Go.
She's like coming fast. Hold on, guys. Don't go. Don't. Oh my God.
Coco, back.
So sad she wants to like come. Oh, we're never gonna be able to get out of here. Look at this wall, bro.
Dad. Coco, the ball. Coco.
She's gonna shove her way
Jake, just
through.
run. Jake, run.
Go. Dad.
Jake, you have to run with her and then come back.
Go. Go.
She doesn't care about you, Jake. She wants you to leave.
It's my turn. Go. Leave Jake. Leave Jake. Good luck, Jake.
Eat us some, Jake.
Come here. Stay, Coco.
Oh my God.
Go.
She's not coming, Jake.
Come. No, come.
Time for Daisy to have a zoomie.
Come.
Come here.
Come. Oh, come. Come.
Come here. Come here. Take her for a walk, too. Careful. She's probably got energy.